Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Fushi EDC Danger Coin here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, the feel of this bad boy. But don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. You can also check out Fablades.com if you are in the market for some pretty cool fidget toys and knives, of course. And this guy comes with this paper like cardboard box, which is pretty cool looking. Certificate of authenticity for this biohazard coin, and nicely padded, pretty big box for this coin, which is not that big. I mean, across is going to be 1.5 inches with a like a thickness of, I would say, 0.3 inches, something in that ballpark. Quickly, let's also check the weight real quick, because yeah, there's some nice heft to it. This guy is, let's just zero that thing, and it's going to be 2.17 ounces, so not too shabby. This is a haptic coin, titanium, pretty nicely milled. You have warning, danger 2020. We know, yeah, 2020 wasn't a really cool year for everyone. Biohazard, yeah, we know, right? And if you grab a UV light and you shine, now we have a little bit of too much light going on, but you can see that there's like a bioluminescent ink going on, like red and blue on the center. And look at that, these are Tritz vials which are getting excited with the UV light, and of course Danger 2020 is going to be shining and glowing in a blue color. So this is a haptic coin, it's titanium. It works like any other haptic coin with magnets. There's 6 per side and a set of roller bearings in between, just to give you this pretty cool feel and sound. So basically how this works is that the magnets are attracting to each other up to a point where they repel, which is this way, halfway through, and then you keep spinning and they keep attracting each other. So the two parts are kept together by the magnets, of course, and then you can just spin it away and create this pleasant and lovely sound. Or if you are mindful of other people being around you, apply just a little bit more pressure and you are gonna have just the sound going away. And you can just enjoy the haptic feel that this coin is gonna transfer to your hands in silence, without being obnoxious to other people. And if you are in the dark, you can just enjoy this glowing effect going on for with this special ink. Very cool milling. I like the weight that this coin is carrying, and I really like the milling. It's, of course, the Biohazard logo is pretty attractive. On the back you have I think that's the Fushi EDC logo, and it is a pretty cool and pretty simple, I mean, but interesting one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.